Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on rearranging the app list on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the crown of the watch to open the app menu and then tap Settings. Scroll down the settings and select Preferences. Scroll down Preferences and tap App List. Now tap the app that you would like to move position on the list. Once it is selected, scroll up or down to move its position. Tap the tick when the app is in your desired position. You can also rearrange your watch's app list from your phone. To do this, open up the Zepp app on your phone and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on your watch's name below My Devices. Tap App List Management. You then need to hold down on the 3 horizontal lines button to the right of the app that you would like to move, and drag the app to your desired location and let go. You can delete apps by tapping the red minus icon to the left of an app. You can add deleted apps by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the app list to Hidden Items, and then tapping the plus to the left of the app that you would like to re-add. Tap Save at the top right when you are happy with your new app list order. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.